is up. We are doing an avatar only challenge in the new update. In Blizzard Royale. So let's. You know what? I said that too much. Anyway, let's get into the video. Bye. Monkey, I'm getting wrecked. Alright. Alright, guys. Well, I'm hoping we get water because that's the best one. Let's stop a medallion. That's a nice medallion to have. Alright. And jump. Earth is not too bad. We're literally the only skin I do. The air vendor for sure. Of the fire and the water vendor. And I guess I kind of have an avatar, which is Cora, but... Alright. Wait, we can't use that, Zeke. We can't pick up guns. What? I killed one. So earthbending's actually kind of good. We can use anything, but just not guns. Oh no! Yeah, we're making a video. Oh. Oh, we got a gun, but we can't use that. One down. Miss. There's one more there. I can't shoot. We're dead. We're dead. We can't use the friggin' pump and dump. Earthbending's not the best one. Yes, that one. Alright. Not too bad for our first round. Oh, think we gotta go! I just hope we don't get airbending because we're just gonna have to play it like simple. We're just gonna have to run. Just accidentally through that. My guess that hit someone though. I did 100 to both of them.
I went in the mountains. It was pitch black.
Bro, what is going on? Oh, I missed. Get out. Twice. You killed the other one. I have no charges. Oh, I'm gonna die. Hey, don't waste your stuff on these dumb people. I need to recharge. Oh no. Oh gosh. I'm trying. No! It's fine, it's not too hard to get. He's so low, I can tell he's low. Yes, I got healed! Alright. I'm gonna try and get your reboot card. Oh no! No! Make it! Yes! Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This guy's mad. Bro, let me heal. But he's actually not doing anything. Bruh, I'm doing nothing as well. Finally. For a second. Build? Nope, I can't. Alrighty, next game, and we got Dad in. He doesn't have an avatar skin, so he's his duck. So. Heck yeah, we got water bandit next. Water is my favorite element because it's drinkable and it's goated in Fortnite. I need to play more. Alright. Yeah. I got 2 dead already. We can't. I mean, we can use that, but. Bro wants to hide. Good luck with that, boy. Oh, you can go. Alright, we got the mechanist or machinist medallion. No! We can use that! Well, not get out. 1v3 is like a whole squad. Alright, so that is not you playing the challenge. He can use guns and stuff. God, bro, that's kind of good, but I can't use that, sad. Alright, get out. One thing, like something, every person. Gotta take all my ammo because that's pretty much useless to me. Yeah, I don't need it. We can use our pickaxes, but wait, actually, wait, there is. No, oh no! Dad can use this. It's an SMG. Oh, but we're gonna have to go. I'm gonna heal you. We don't run. Dad, hurry! There's someone up here. Their footsteps. It's completed. It's because we're playing Blizz. Oh, hang on. No, that's not the one I wanted to do. This one. Okay, hopefully we get fired. Or, no, wait. Yeah, fire. Because airbending will just have to loop around the whole map. Let's go. Okay, last one is airbending. Who knows to win with? I'm just looking for heals. Get out of that house, boy. I'm already almost dead. Oh, but I need to run now. Oh no, I'm low. Yeah, that's not gonna help us right now. Alright, everyone head to Storm Circle. Yeah. llama. Something right there. Get him. Yes! Help me! Please no one else be here. Where even are you? Oh. Oh. It's fine. Alright. Oh, that. This is one of my goals that we gotta run. No time to yap. Oh, we gotta run. No time to yap right now. Alright. I got some guns for you. Because we can't use them. Challenge. We'll do that later. Pop that. Oh. Ready? Both jump on him like me and they both jump on him. That would have been awesome, but that was still a good win. Yo. We always jump off and we crush him. That was awesome. But I'm not accepting your friend request, bro. Or a party invite. Alright guys, ready up. That was so goated. It wouldn't let me jump, so that's why I didn't jump. But let's go, boy. Alright. See you in the next round. Scroll off. I think you scroll off of it. You can drop it. You can drop it. Alright, I think we need to go to Dad. When you're in that, yeah. Okay. damage pretty much. You know. What the hell was going below me? Oh, he juked. He left. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, well, I guess we can't go in. Yes, I got a shield potion. Alright, follow down. Oh, someone's doing it. Oh, don't worry, I have some ammo. Not too much, but it's something. I want to taunt him. No! The only one that can do damage is almost dead. Water! Oh no, we might be cooked. No, 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 no! Alright, Zig, we just need to spread them around the map and wait for... We need to wait for someone to get eliminated so he can use a gun. Alright. Alright, we're good. Alright, we're good. With Dad. Alright. Nothing good. Dad, here's the mythic shotgun. So there's one last squad, so we can use one gun. Alright, me and Dick can use one gun. My choose is this one. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Alright, well, I guess... Just me. No, that's airbending. One. Oh my gosh, bro. It was hard because we couldn't do anything for the whole game, but that's the end of this video. We got 3 out of 4. That was pretty good. Next challenge in Fortnite will be the color challenge. Yeah. There. Alright, anyway, bye guys. Hopefully we win the next challenge.